Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will show you how to check your pending sales orders. Once you have logged in, you can click Account, Pending Sales Order. Here you will see all of your pending sales orders that have not been processed. For example, I may have an order on hold, I may have an order that's on back order, or any other pending sales orders here. I may sort any of the pending sales order by order number, order date, bill to name, ship to name, status, pending code, and any totals. If I click on the PDF, it will show here a sales order that has not been processed. We thank you for watching this instructional video and we hope it was helpful.